Welcome to the tutorial series teaching you how to use the various analysis functions found on MyNASA Data's visualization tool, the Earth System Data Explorer. You can find relevant links in the video description. This tutorial will demonstrate how to use the Generate Download Image option. This allows you to generate an image for a map on a screen so that you can save it. We have already selected the monthly surface air temperature file for June of 2025 and zoomed in on the map. If you need help with these functions, please see the Introduction to the Earth System Data Explorer tutorial. The Generate Download Image allows you to create a link to access the image that you have on the screen if you prefer to save it rather than do a screenshot. In order to access it, you will click the button that says Generate Download Image. A link will appear which you can click on to access the image for download. When you click on the link, the image will appear and you'll be able to save it to your device. On a PC, I would click Write and I would save the image. These images are very useful for reports, presentations, lesson plans, creating slides, and being able to save an image as you have it on your screen. Another thing you can do is take a series of images and create a slideshow so that you can create an animation. Note that if you want to include the legend, you will need to take a screenshot of that. This example shows the year 2025 for the monthly surface air temperature. See our other videos for details on each of the analysis tools and data download options at our YouTube channel, which is linked in the description.